Hello students, greetings from Learn to Lead Academy. Admissions are open for May Mat 2024 online crash course. The new batch starts from March 20th. If you want to enroll for this May Mat 2024 online batch, you can enroll through the link provided in the description box. Now, in this video, we are going to discuss the topics which were covered in the Feb Mat 2024. We are going to analyze Feb Mat 2024 question paper in this video. So as you all know, the MAT examination consists of 5 sections: numerical ability, data analysis and sufficiency, analytical and logical reasoning, reading comprehension and verbal ability, and Indian and global ability. Under numerical ability, from 20 topics they have asked the questions in this time. Mensuration, simple interest and compound interest, they have covered 4 questions. Number system 1 question, percentage 3 questions, under time, speed and distance 3 questions, prime problem 1 question, cost price and selling price, that is profit and loss based problem 3 questions, probability 2, trigonometry 2, LCM 1, boards and steam concept 1 question, pipes and system 2 questions, percentage 3 questions, average 2 questions, age and ratio based problems 3 questions, permutation and combination, time and work, allegations and mixture, milk based problems and fractions. From each section, 1 question they have asked. So you should be thorough with the important concepts, like those who are preparing for the upcoming May Mat 2024 examination. You should be thorough with the concepts like mensuration, simple interest and compound interest, percentage, time, speed and distance, profit and loss based topics, age and ratio based topics, time and work. So be thorough with these concepts. Okay, so try to cover these concepts in the first section, right? And under data analysis and sufficiency, so there are 8 questions. Under each question, there will be 5 subdivisions. So caselet, quantity based problem, table based DI, data sufficiency 5 questions, income and expenses DI, population DI, line and pie chart, bar graph and pie chart. This is the structure for data analysis and sufficiency. Under analytical and logical reasoning, the questions were asked from direction. Under puzzle, 15 questions. They have given 3 puzzles: blood relation, cause and effect, symbol coding, statement, direct coding and decoding based problem, assertion and reasoning. So try to focus on puzzle as well as assertion and reasoning questions. Okay. Then the next section is reading comprehension and verbal ability. Reading comprehension, error spotting, phrases and idioms, para jumble, fill-ups, synonyms and antonyms. So for these sections, and try to cover these topics for the upcoming May Mat 2024 examination. If you want to still pursue your MBA in 2024 for the September intake, the admissions are open for May Mat 2024 online crash course. With this May Mat score, you can apply for the upcoming September 2024 intake. Those who have missed Feb 2024 or TANCET examination, you can apply for this upcoming May Mat 2024 examination, and with that score, you can apply for your dream colleges. So all over 200 plus institutions across India are accepting MAT examination scores. All the best, students. New batch for May Mat 2024 starts from 20th March. The registration link for this May Mat 2024 online crash course is provided in the description box. Thank you.